Hi guys, Kevlar here. Today we're taking a look at the Inno3D Twin X2 RTX 3070. We're going to get it unboxed, have a look at it, see what it looks like. I'm currently doing a build with this in, so we'll have a look at how it performs. So with the graphics card prices obviously been crazy over the last couple of years, and the graphics cards are becoming a lot more available now, so you'll go and find stock in most places and quite a lot of stock as well. So the card prices are coming down a bit. Probably not as far as they should be yet, but they're definitely a lot lower. So you can find some reasonable price cards out there. Well, reasonable for these times. Now this card is the cheapest RTX 3070 I could find. So we're doing a build for a customer, trying to keep the cost fairly low, but you know, they want some pretty decent performance. So we went for the cheapest one we could find. So this one was £570 from Overclockers in the UK. I couldn't really find any other new RTX 3070 card under £600. So if you're looking for a budget RTX 3070, let's see if this is the one to go for. Right, let's get it opened up. It's got a bit of weight to it actually. Attention, warning, this product is not designed for crypto mining. That's good. Right, okay, here we are. Now actually I just wanted to say, I mentioned about the cheapest one you can find. Obviously that's excluding the Founders Edition. If you manage to get hold of one of those in the drops that come out very rarely, and they're impossible to actually get hold of. And I think in the UK it's only really Scan that do them, and you're only allowed one per customer. So for me, when I'm trying to build PCs for customers, I've already used up my one, so we're excluding that from this being the cheapest. So yeah, it's quite weighty, feels really nice. It's plastic or metal? I think this might be metal. Nice looking fans, quite nice design at the front, looks okay. You've got your GeForce RTX signage there, the Inno3D logo. I don't think it's got any RGB lighting or lighting effects, so I don't think that lights up. But yeah, the design's alright, it's got a nice backplate. Nice clean backplate, quite cool design on there. Now, needs two 8 pins for power. However, I mean, I was prepared for that. We've made sure we've got the right PSU, but if you look at the box, I was just reading this before I opened it up. Here, 1 times PCIe 8-pin power connection required. Interesting. So they've got their packaging wrong there. So yeah, when I read that, I was a bit shocked. I thought, really? Only one? But yeah, as we can see on the card itself, it is 2. So they need to sort their packaging out there. Okay, you got your 4 display screen ports, so 3 display ports, 1 HDMI. Right, now what else was in the box? Warning card about thermal capacity, power supply guideline. Yeah, so this one recommends a, where is it, 650 watt power supply, and then there's a bit of a instructions how to install your graphics card, etc. Okay, that's it for now. We'll get it in the PC. We're pairing up with a Ryzen 5 5600X. I'm not going to do proper gaming benchmarks because it's not my PC, it's for a customer. I'll just do some smaller tests and we run a heaven benchmark and we'll see what the scores are. And we'll compare it to my RTX 3080 with a Ryzen 7 5800X, and that's what we'll see what the difference is. Okay. Right, so here we go. We've got the GPU installed in this PC, and actually it does have some lighting at the front, which is nice. So that's pretty cool. Didn't think it had that. I don't remember seeing that on the description of it when we bought it. So I'm just running some Windows updates on this PC, making sure it's all fully up to date. Then I'll run the Heaven benchmark test and we'll do a bit of a comparison between that and my 3080. Right, so there we go. I've just run the Heaven benchmark test. We can see there it's got a score of 4,279, so that's on 1080p on extreme and ultra settings. That's pretty decent. I'll just put up the score from my RTX 3080 now so we can compare. I know it's not really a great comparison because I've got the RTX 3080 and a Ryzen 7 5800X with double the RAM, but at least we can see this is getting a decent score, over 4,000, that's nice. Right, so there we go, that's my review of the Inno3D Twin X2 RTX 3070 graphics card. I liked it, it's good. It felt really good quality, I really liked the build of it, and it had the LED light at the front, which I didn't expect. It performs like an RTX 3070. Obviously the only really difference you're paying for, really, when you pay a lot more for a graphics card, is going to be the style of the card, the amount of cooling. If it's got 3 fans, you pay more for that. All the RGB effects at the front, but it's the same GPU chip. It's an RTX 3070 GPU within that graphics card. Yes, some of them maybe have them with a little bit of a boost or overclocking, and that's why they have more cooling, but in general you're not going to get a huge amount of performance difference there. So if you're looking to get an RTX 3070 but you're on a budget, then yeah, definitely go for the cheaper one. I think it's great. So I hope you found that useful. Please do give us a like, subscribe to the channel if not already done so, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.